हेलो, કેમ છો? મજામાં ને? Today's topic is follow your passion. Before 15 years, I and my friend were at coffee shop, and it was very general, casual conversation which was going on. And in middle of the conversation, my friend asked me, "What is your passion?" And there was uncomfortable silence. I was taken back. You know why? Because I never thought of this question. And I didn't know the answer. But somewhere in my subconscious mind, deep down, that question was continuously searching for the answer. Now I'm 48. And I can feel that I got the answer. Whenever I'm creating content, audio content, video content, it gives me immense satisfaction and fulfillment, immense pleasure. So now I feel that I could find my passion. Way back before 30 years, when I was in my 20s, as average middle class Indian youth, જ્યારે બી પ્રોફેશન વિશે વિચારીએ કે કરિયર વિશે વિચારીએ તો there were few criterias for that. ત્યારે અમે એવું નતા વિચારતા કે follow your passion, what is your passion, you should follow your passion. So what were the criteria? કે કોઈ એવા ફિલ્ડમાં you should go where there is less competition. It means that the subject should be very difficult so that competition is less. It should be white collar job. It should be very well paid. It should have very good career growth. So these were the few points which we considered when we were looking for a profession or looking for a career. હવે અત્યારના ઘણા બધા youth સાથે હું વાત કરતી હોઉં ને conversation થતા હોય. So what I could find the difference is, અત્યારે તમે ક્યાંય બી જુઓ, સોશિયલ મીડિયા જુઓ કે કોઈ લાઈફ કોચને સાંભળો કે કોઈ મોટિવેશનલ સ્પીકરને સાંભળો, બધા શું કહેશે? વોટ ઇઝ યોર પેશન? ફોલો યોર પેશન, ડુ ધીસ, ડુ ધેટ. પણ એમાં કેવું થઈ ગયું છે કે now youth is confused. This is my observation which I am sharing with you. કે they are confused અને એ લોકોને એવું લાગે કે till the time મને જ્યાં સુધી મારું પેશન નહીં મળે ને ત્યાં સુધી I'll just sit idle. અને આ સિચ્યુએશનમાં શું થાય છે? they are wasting their precious years. Indian youth તમે જુઓ રોડ પર, they are taking selfie, વિડીયો બનાવે, આ કરી રહ્યા છે, તે કરી રહ્યા છે, સોશિયલ મીડિયા ઉપર they are wasting their time. And they have a false assumption that one fine day there will be knock on their door and a passion will arrive. See, hello, I am your passion. Now you can follow me. It's not like that. I would like to share two things here. The first very, very important thing is excellence. Till the time you come to know about what is your passion, whatever you do, whether it is a small or a big thing, you please do it with excellence. An excellence example માટે I would suggest you Google doing dishes by Jeff Bezos, who is founder of Amazon, and Bill Gates, who is founder of Microsoft. So these two people, who are the most richest people on this earth, they are doing their dishes. And what they are saying, it is therapeutic, and they get so much creative ideas while doing the dishes. So even though it is a very small thing of doing dishes, they are doing it with excellence. So that is the point. અત્યારે આપણી પાસે કરન્ટલી જે બી જોબ છે, જે બી કામ છે, ઝાડુ લગાવવાનું બી કેમ ના હોય? અગર આપણે જો કિચન પ્લેટફોર્મ, ઇફ યુ આર ક્લીનિંગ ધ કિચન પ્લેટફોર્મ, that also, કે જેથી કરીને જ્યારે whenever you enter in the kitchen, you will have a completely different energy. It will be very positive energy because everything is clean and very neat. So excellence is very important, first point. Second thing is having patience. If I share from my life, now my age is 48, and now I literally I feel that whatever I'm doing, this is my passion. So it is never too late. So please remember that. So follow your passion. That's right. But till the time you know about your passion, please do whatever you do with excellence. So, do you know what is your passion? If yes, please mention that in the comment below. હું છું જયકુમારી, તમારી હાર્મની કોચ, રિલેશનશિપ કોચ. Thank you.